Today's video, you guys, is sponsored by the Fantic T8 Apex battery jumper. This battery jumper is super convenient to have if you are on road trips and you need to jump your car. But the T8 Apex does a lot more than just jumping your battery. Let me show you what this thing can do. The battery charger and jumper comes in a box like this. It's nice and small. You can keep it right in your trunk. It doesn't take up too much room. If we open it up here, you have the battery jumper itself right here. You have a couple of cables right here for the unit. And then these are the actual jumper cables themselves that are going to run from the box to your battery. So looking at the jumper itself, turn it on just like this. Will tell you it has 34% battery left. In order to charge it, you can go ahead and do so just right in the car using a 12 volt or cigarette lighter, or they have a wall unit as well that you can plug it into. On this side, it's got a couple of different USB ports, so you can charge your computer or your phone or any other type of accessory that you have along with you on the road. And then on this side, you'll have the actual jumper cables that you just connect to your battery in case your battery dies or is low on charge. Say you're out somewhere in the middle of nowhere and it's dark, need to be able to see. Very, very bright LED light. Does a pulsing motion for you as well. And then a cautionary red pulse so people can see you. This is a very useful unit to have, so I'm gonna keep this in the car for any type of road trips or anything like that. This generation Fantic T8 Apex jump starter has a 2000 A peak current that can jump start up to all of 8.5 liter gas or 6.0 liter diesel vehicles in seconds, even when their batteries are empty. T8 Apex also has a built-in 20,000 mAh battery with a 65 watt USB-C output and input that has plenty of power to start your car and charge various USB-C and USB devices on the go. You can even power up a laptop. So for me personally, I'm just gonna keep this right in the trunk. I think that makes the most sense. And if anything were to happen, you're covered. Fantic will launch its annual Fantic Day starting today. They will be offering the biggest discount ever. You guys can get 50% off for the Fantic T8 Apex Jump Starter now. And a huge useful road trip gear giveaway with prizes including DJI drones, GoPros, iPhone 13s, and free Fantic products. The total value of more than $20,000. Opportunities for everyone. Click on the link in the description to get a huge discount and win a prize. So I'll have the T8 Apex link down below if you guys want to get one. I highly suggest it. But a huge shout out to Fantic for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back into it. What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are back at CES Motorsport. It's a night of E36s. We got my friend Jimmy here. He's got a turbocharged built DCT E36. This thing is absolutely mental. But we're gonna be a fly on the wall here and get some of the dyno footage. A DCT transmission E36. This thing's so sick. This is a fresh tune on this car, and he's on the second boost setting. So he's got 5 total. He's making about 630 wheel horsepower right now. I'm just trying to get it set up right, so here we go. Now they'll go up to the SP3 setting, more boost. All right, so that pass was 807 on the 3rd setting. I think they have 5 available for boost. E36. And that was just a backup pull. That is unreal. Crazy, man. Wow. That is they're trying to get a pull on the last boost setting, which I think is around like 23 or 24 PSI boost. He's already making 940 something wheel horsepower at like 20 pounds of boost on the 4th setting. So we'll see here. They had a vacuum line pop off. They're gonna try and fix that and then go back into the dyno run and we'll see what happens. 968 pass.
In the ECU to take advantage of, you know, the higher flow that it wants, and it'll be a little trial and error.
Yep, Nick, that's more than enough power. I can't even hook up 100, 200, less than that. Here's my question, Nick. What do you think to make the car more drivable? Like even at the track with the right tires, man, this thing is just an animal when it comes in, you know? Do you think, I know you did, I think you said you pulled 7 degrees at around 5,000 last time.